It rotates 360. It rotates 360 degrees. You're going shopping or moving furniture or anything that you need to have a 500 capacity black hand truck. Check online for further detail about the color and hand trucks you are looking for. This one comes with 2 elastic straps, and they are stretchable, and they are pretty nice and strong. They could go just about anywhere imaginable. Now you have a nice carrying bag that you can put everything away, put in your car for the next time you need it. I'm going to go over this hand truck, show you what it's about. On the front or back, you have 2 locking tabs. If you push down on it with your foot, they lock into place and they won't wheel around. As you can see, the other one is movable. In order to release, just simply grab it with your foot and lift up, and you're able to slide around. There's not just 4, but 6 wheels. And on this cart, it's extendable. And it also locks into place the handlebar. They got plastic tabs to lock in that you must have this in the center in order to lock in correctly, like so. What I am going to do is show you how to open this up by grabbing the 2 handles, resting on, and lifting up. Over here, if you press the button, it extends the arm. The arm extends and locks into place. As you can see, it's swivelable forward and back. In order to stop it, you're going to take this handle, you're going to force down, and that'll lock into place, and you have to force it back up to release it. So this is locked in. To extend the hand truck, this part here is going to extend a number of inches, 6 inches as you can see, and you're able to put larger stuff on it and capacity. You're going to take the strap. Inside here, there are holes that you could put the strap on, and then you could just lock it over like so on the bar anywhere you want to, around your items underneath, even over here as well. So what we're going to do is go outside and we're going to move a planter for you. But before we do that, we're going to fold everything back down. On the top, over here, there's a button. You press in, the handle slides down and locks in. We're going to lift up in case we lock this on. We're going to make sure this is in here in the center. And we're going to push in on the front, and then we're going to push down on here nice and firmly. And now a hand truck is locked into place, ready to put into a package to store for another day. Before we close up, in here there are metal ball bearings on all 6 wheels. The wheels are rubber and plastic. They will do a nice job rolling. You simply have your bag, your cables, and the strap, and you got yourself a nice carrying case and portable hand truck. Let's go move that planter for you. Setting up is as easy as just putting down, opening up, lifting the handle. We're going to extend it, and there, let's go put our truck over here, take our strap, lock our wheels, so this way we're able to make sure nothing will spin. And move our barrel. Free our wheel up. Tie it down with the strap. Adjust it. and move our stuff where we need to move it. So we're able to do 360 degrees, no problem. And if we need to lock it in, we need to readjust our barrel. And there you have your planter moved. It rolls pretty easy and does a nice job. Now what we're going to do is going to put our planter back down into the spot. And fold it up. And when we're ready to go do another job, we have our cart. I hope you enjoy your portable hand truck. Very portable, made of black aluminum, plastic, rubber, elastic straps with the carrying bag for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.